Saan ba tayo?
Ano? Pre.
The pre is giving because it's giving season. So it's giving. Anyway, we're here at Midsummer Giving. Medyo toned down lang yung boss.
At saka nakakahiya naman talaga.
Kasi kami sa coffee shop, siningit talaga namin no kasi nga medyo na-excite kami. And of course, for my bestie na, you know, cat lover, quote-unquote. Are you a cat lover, Bess?
I cannot hear you.
Are you a cat lover?
I'm really a cat lover. Even though I killed a cat once. Charihes, hindi po Hindi ko naman po kasalanan na tumalon siya.
So anyway, magsa-start tayo. First up natin is by Pablo. Muna, yung Ere. Actually, I've been listening to this song by Juan Carlos for a time na rin. Nagugulat ako.
Sige. At saka, syempre, para sabi mo, play, para naman may guide ako.
Okay, play.
Boss. The outfit is giving.
Actually, the pants.
Very metallic, dark, silver. Alam mo, marami sa TikTok ngayon yung nagpapaprofile. Ano yung nagpapaprofile ng ano?
Papa-profile?
Hindi yung nagpapa-consultant kung anong bagay sa kanilang kulay.
Oo. Yung sa Korea, yan ang uso ata.
Sa uso, oo. Parang kung ano ba, kung metallic. Kung metallic ba na dark,
color
or
test
silver.
ba yun?
Oo, color
parang
test.
ganun, oo. Mahal daw yun sa Korea. Pero meron na rin natin sa Pinas nun. Anyway.
Oo, recording na ba yung ano mo?
Oo, recording.
Yung screenshot mo?
I believe so, yes. Wait lang. Oo, recording.
Very first solo engagement ko. Kasi madalas nagpa-perform ng casting together.
Imbitahan mo kasi kami para hindi solo engage.
True.
Pablo, perform people. So, ginagawa ako pero sorry ka. Congratulations din po sa lahat ng nandito ngayon.
I just have to say I love Shopee.
Parang nung last time binash mo ang Shopee.
Sana po makakilala kayo. Sobrang sikat po ng tawag dito ito. Isa po sa mga obra ni Juan Carlos. Familiar kayo?
You know what? I think Juan Carlos and Pablo could have a collaboration, no? Yung angas ng boses silang dalawa.
Pareha silang raspy. Plus, they have this parang, I think they would have this very twisted take on rock and roll.
Yeah, play. So Makati siyang lang pala to.
Isang tumbling na lang tayo.
Lahat ng
Ano screenshot?
Hindi, volume dapat.
Ikaw ha? Sabihin niya?
I love cats. I love cats talaga.
Napaka-speed mo dun, te.
Ano?
Napaka-speed mo. Naisip mo agad yun.
Hindi kasi nakita ni Pablo siguro yung tweet ko about cats. Kaya biglang in the last minute, imbes na magmura siya, pusang galat na lang. Play mo na, may ano pa tayo. The growl.
Ooh. Gwapo ni Pablo.
Bakit gwapo silang lima? Oo nga, gwapo nga si Pablo dyan.
Ganda ng boses. Woo! I love seeing Pablo in this song kasi yun nga, oftentimes we hear him with the group kumbaga, at least ito, isolated siya, na parang, minsan, may time high, not all the time, I love their voices equally, but there's sometimes this longing for Pablo's voice.
Longing talaga.
Sorry sis, nasasaktan ka ata. Pero may instances na parang gusto ko i-play yung verse niya over and over again. Na-appreciate ko siya with Luna, but Luna doesn't have yung melody na minsan gusto mong pakinggan. So parang ito sa Eren, ginagawa niya ngayon, and he's singing alone, parang, oh my God, sana meron siyang studio recording.
Yeah. It's just too much for me. Hindi ko makontain. Gusto kong sumigaw. Hindi, pero alam nyo, gusto ko lang sabihin, no, parang napaka-expressive ni Pablo. I mean, nagkikwento siya eh. Pansinin mo, no, yung mga artists na gusto ko, including Pablo, SB19, and, you know, Mother Monster, yung alam mo yung parang into the music.
Yeah.
Nagkikwento yung muka, nagkikwento yung body language. Hindi siya OA eh.
Hindi niya kinanta lang.
Oo.
He told his own story.
If you're going to look sa mga legends, hindi naman basta magkakanta si Stevie Wonder ng parang walang kuwari, like for example, sina Elton John, yung mga legends natin, Stevie Wonder, iba sila mag-deliver ng mga performances.
True. Talagang
parang merong somehow coordinated facial expression and body language.
It has to be, it all has to fit in the same narrative.
Oo, there was a time, no, si Regine Velasquez, I just have to say this, no, parang umaamin, parang nafe-feel ko minsan na parang binabasa niya yung lyrics sa SOP. Kasi sa sobrang daming kinakanta niya.
True.
'Di ba? Pero parang as she matures in the stage, makikita mo na dinadama na niya yung bawat liriko. Yun si Pablo eh, parang bawat meaning ng kanta, damang-dama niya yung yung awitin eh. Yun yung mga gusto ko. So parang kudos lang na parang hindi lang niya basta inawit, 'di ba? Kwento niya.
Yeah. Bakit?
Tayo. Charot.
Ay, namiss agad si Pablo.
Ay! Apo.
Love it. Oh my God.
Saan mo nakukuha yung hugot na yan?
Sana in the future, gets ko yung ganitong style, pero sana hindi super glued yung buhok na. I love to see him headbang.
Huh?
Flowing
Flowy,
yung buhok.
yes, oo.
Alam mo
Actually, Pablo, sobrang ganda ng buhok ni Pablo.
Yan nga, kaso kasi dito, parang alam mong
medyo may...
gelled down itong buhok niya eh. So, gusto ko siya makitang ganun. Bayan,
kinaya nung
Shopee,
mic.
Mike.
Hindi kinaya. Okay.
Ayun na.
Okay.
O, di ba lumabas agad Drag Race?
Oo.
Stop recording ko muna, ha?
Oo. Stop. Hindi, wag nang stop. Dire-diretso na tayo.
Okay.
I just have to say this about the performance, no? Damang-dama ko. And I think he did justice to the song of JK.
Yeah, definitely.
I don't know kung saan nakuha ni Pablo yung hugot, but yun yung maganda if storyteller ka, artist ka, and you're a great vocalist. Madi-deliver mo talaga yung mga ganitong song ng maganda.
Punta naman tayo kay Stel
Yeah.
sa kanyang performance na...
Yung kay Bruno Mars.
That's what I like talaga yung papanoorin natin.
Ano ba yung isa?
Wait, I think Stel Sang
Guys, nagnanakaw lang po kami ng sandali dito sa Starbucks.
Yes, salamat kay Orange Magazine. Marvin Gaye.
Alin?
Ito.
Performance. Ay, sige. Gusto ko yan.
Favorite ko to before eh.
Tapos rarampa ka, Miss Universe.
Hoy, evening wear ko to.
Oo. Philippines. Charot.
Oh my God. Alam mo, ang tagal ko na hindi ito nasasabi, pero when it comes to Stel, yung versatility niya when it comes to song, parang as 18, people often would classify him sa matataas lang. Parang minsan there are times na nadidisregard yung potential ng boses niya that he also has a lot of tricks up his sleeve.
You know what Jessica Sanchez was accused na kaya niya binibirit lahat because she cannot enunciate well every lyric. Pero kay Stel, no, kahit siguro ibirit niya,
True.
he can enunciate well yung bawat lyric.
Tsaka ako, actually, good thing na bringing up po si Jessica Sanchez kasi the best, yung favorite performance ko ni Jessica Sanchez during American Idol was his
My All?
Sweet Dreams.
Sweet Dreams.
She made that her own na parang it demanded his own version. I think with Stel is very dissimilar.
Yeah, and
Na
I think
nagpo-produce siya ng sarili niyang ano.
he's very sensual.
True.
Very manly, very handsome.
True.
Yeah.
Gwapo ni Stel dito. I'm loving this angle of Stel. Yes, loving you and that hold it closer. It's so sexy.
I'm in trouble. Trouble.
Sorry, I will just repeat that, ha? Kailangan yung build up.
Oh, lalakad na.
Shit, nakakahiya.
Thailand!
Woo! Shit,
Wow.
nakakahiya sa Starbucks.
Nakakaya sa Starbucks.
I like that. Basic.
Okay. Alam mo tawag dito, yung kay, ano kasi, yung parang kay Charlie Puth, no? Siya yung kumanta nito, no? Pero wala akong naalala kay Charlie Puth nung kinakanta to ni Stel.
Well, to be
He made
fair,
it-
oo,
he
totoo.
made it his own rendition na ang pinaka gusto ko doon biglang ininom ko yung kape ng isang go. Medyo nagpapalpitate ang bakla ngayon. Putang, nako, sorry, medyo na-hype ako, no? I just have to
Kay
say
Pablo
this,
ka ba?
no?
Baka kay Pablo at Stel ka
No.
nagpapalpitate.
I think, ang gusto ko naman sabi kay Stel is, he did not need to be Charlie Puth para gawin yung style ni Charlie Puth.
True.
Ginawa niyang sarili yung kanta, sobrang sexy niya. Yung alam mo yung para medyo naiinggit ako doon sa mic.
Ako naiingit ako doon sa mic stand.
Hindi, pero sobrang ganda ng pagkaka-deliver.
True. Well, kudos to Shopee. Thank you very much for giving our boys the two of them. Hopefully,
Pero
in the
alam mo,
future, 5 na.
Oo, no. Before we close this, no, anong nakikita mo na hindi po namin dinidedma yung mga individual nilang engagement. Actually, this is quite new na parang talagang totally different. Like for example, Pablo's first engagement, may Stel, meron si Philip. Kanina, pares kami nag-angkas from Quezon City, magkahiwalay. Nakita namin yung billboard na
ng
Philip,
Aegis.
ng Aegis. Nandun si Philip together with Jose Marichan, no? And then marami pa silang mga individual engagement, like para nung isang araw si Philip at saka si Josh nasa isang event, and then parang si Philip nasa Wish Bus, kumanta siya ng Moving Closer, yung mga inch by inch.
Yeah.
I think we're going to react na lang next time kasi dumadami yung tao dito sa
Ako siguro
Starbucks.
to end this on your question. I think nabanggit natin to when Ken is starting to release his own songs na kumbaga, no matter their individual projects, they're very representative of SB19. And I don't think na madidisregard yun. Kumbaga, it's the similar with BTS. It's the same with BTS. Kumbaga, they're going their individual projects pero alam mong BTS yan. At in the same manner with them, kasi nagugulat ako sa office, hindi na lang SB19 ang recall eh. Nagugulat nga ako minsan, ayan o, si Je, idol niyan si Stel, yung friend ko.
Oo.
Ay, kumbaga may individual recall na sila. And alam mo na kapag nabanggit yung mga names na yun ay, sino si ganito? SB19.
Yes.
Kumbaga
Oh yeah. So parang ibig sabihin, hindi na sila kilala bilang isang grupo.
Yes.
Kilala sila
Individually.
And
And that's a step up.
step up
honestly.
yun, no? Kasi like for example, do you know the name of the Three Musketeers?
True.
No. Diba? Do you know, of course, parang ang mga legendary dyan, do you know the Beatles? Kilala mo sila isa-isa.
True.
Yun din yung goal natin sa SB19. So, walang patalbugan dito.
Yes.
Kanya-kanyang legendary status as a group.
Everyone has their own time naman. Kumbaga, hindi dapat ito nagiging pukyutan ng away natin as a fans. Moreover, dapat nga matuwa tayo. Eh.
Yeah. At saka, continue suggesting kasi sinuggest lang po sa amin ito.
Yes.
Diba? So,
Kung may
sobrang
mga na-miss out kami over the, especially guys, the holiday seasons can really be busy.
hectic.
Actually, super hirap ngayon makapunta sa isang lugar. Ang hirap mag-mall. Wala rin naman kaming pang-mall, actually. Itong Starbucks na to, ito ay bigay lang sa amin ng mga subscribers natin din, yung mga
ninang.
mga ninang natin. So maraming salamat sa mga nagiging ninang namin this holiday season. And of course, sawadi ka soon! Charat!
So, at see you Merlion soon.
Yes.
Na ginagawa pa for a makeover.
This is your Sugar Spice and Sometimes Nice. Harry is unfortunately out, but we're still with
Yeah,
him.
he's out na ba?
Gusto mo i-out ko? Charat, bawal yun o ganon. My name is Blake.
My name is Matt. And we are here in Starbucks sa kakahiya talaga.
Pero, bye. Alis na kami.